Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to install Android Studio on Ubuntu 20.20 version. So let's start it. So let's run step by step commands. So let's open the terminal. Control Shift T, new terminal, CD. Let's run the first command. So it is already at the newest version. Let's run the install this Android Studio repository. Add. So it is done. Let's move to the next one. Sudo apt update. Next we are going to install the Android Studio. It is installing the Android Studio. If I go and check my memory usage, how much it is 6.65. Hardly takes 2 minutes 38 seconds. After completing this, I guess it will install your full Android Studio. How much it is? I guess it is 1 GB I guess to download. But it shows 79 seconds. I think it's totally 1 GB. So it is installation done. Now rest of the things are going installing. So it is done. If I'm go and check my Android Studio, this is Android Studio. How much resources it is using? Do not import. Okay. So this is don't send. Put the next standard. Next. 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 So accept and then use next. Next. Finish. It's now just downloading the components. So it's already all everything is done. Finish, and you will see this one. Welcome to Android Studio is ready. Projects open, get more actions. So let's open from the new project. Wear OS, Android TV, phone, tablet, and basic. Next, finish. So you will see this is your full-fledged Android Studio which is ready for development purpose. So here we are going to start with the React Native. So for this we have to set up the Android Studio first to make the builds easily. So that's all for how to install the Android Studio in Ubuntu 20. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.